All right then. I'll be asking few questions to you.
Yes, my
What's your daily routine?
daily routine when I wake the morning, first I will take the 2 glass of water, empty stomach. After I start my day, I take the breakfast, oats, 10 or 20, sometime 25 almonds, and some almond milk, and I put some berries there. 5 or 6 eggs with spinach I will take. This is my breakfast.
And what's your lunch?
Lunch I will take. Usually I'm taking the chicken breast, 150 grams, and brown rice or pasta, 200 gram. I will stay in calorie deficient. I'm counting this.
And during your night time, I mean your dinner?
Dinner, yeah, dinner I am taking again chicken breast. It's depend. Turkey, and sometimes I am taking the. Will take the paneer, palak paneer, and no carbs, not heavy carbs. I take salad, green salad.
Yeah, regarding your calories, how many calories do you take per day?
Usually normal I'm taking 2500 calorie. Sometime is 300, 3000 calorie. Otherwise 2500 calorie. Always I try to stay in deficient calorie.
Yeah, that's good. And do you have any favorite vegetables and any
Yeah,
favorite?
spinach, avocado,
Yeah,
and sometime I will take the bangers and lady's finger, which is calling okra.
okay.
Uh, I like all vegetable, especially carrot and cabbage, cauliflower. I love the all vegetables.
That's good.
Always I am taking the boiled vegetable or yeah, boiled vegetable I will take. Sometime
What is your main source of carbohydrate? How do you get the carbohydrate from?
carbohydrate. Usually I am taking the. I told already the oats, brown rice, brown bread, and sometimes Indian chapati without oil. I am not eating two chapati. I am eating one chapati and lot of vegetable I eat.
That's good then. Where do you get the protein from?
Protein I
Proteins.
will get from the chicken breast. Yeah, so sometime I am hurry. I don't have time. I take one scoop of whey protein. Al- Iso fish I like white fish. Sometime I will take the salmon. There is a little bit fat, but depend how much you are burning your calories. If you take fat, you have to work a little bit more.
And the fats?
Fats is getting in the nuts. I'm taking almond, nuts, pumpkin nuts, kaju,
Yeah,
hazelnuts.
walnuts.
Yeah, walnuts, and I will take one kind of peanuts also.
That's
Sometimes
better.
peanut butter. I getting the fat. I'm not worry about fat.
That's better.
Yeah,
Who prepares your food?
my missus. If sometimes she's busy, I will prepare. If you need good body health, you have to be learn to cook. This is important for you. No, always depend for your yeah missus.
That's good. Since how long have you been doing exercise?
I start in I was a kid boxing. I start in India, Hyderabad, uh, 1978. Since 42 year I'm continue. After I done the professional boxers sparring partner in Italy, some world champion sparring partner, and Bobby T. Gilbert. He's from California. And I had a lot of international competition. After I done the diploma for Italy, I'm giving coaching groups and personal trainer and models. I train physical training. This is and my two student is national champion. One is going European Championship. I'm coach for them. Now I'm in England, UK. Here also I'm giving personal training.
Awesome. So, what exercise do you mainly focus on?
Focus, usually I'm doing the push-ups, chin-ups, and burpees, and I don't love too much the weight exercise. I'm doing body weight exercise. That is not bad, but I'm doing the cardio, fat bending training. Yes, these things I'm doing: skipping rope, kickback. Sometimes I'm doing sparring. Not my age for sparring, but I love to sparring sometime with young guys.
Yeah, that's good. 2500, it's okay, but what about during cheat days? How much do you eat during cheat days? Do you have any cheat days? If yes or no,
Yeah. Yes.
then what do
Wow.
you eat on cheat days? If
Cheat days I am eating the Hyderabadi special, our biryani, and the typical Indian foods. I don't love burger or pizza, something. So I'm eating healthy food. I'm trying to keep healthy.
Do you have any? Do you take any fizzy drinks?
No. I love water. Lot of water. 5 or 6 liter minimum. I am drinking water. No any physic drinks. Once a blue moon, I'm taking physic drink. When my daughter or son birthday, they are forcing me. Once a blue moon. I can't remember when I take the last time. What they are putting, the sugar and chemical, I don't like fizzy
Awesome.
drinks.
So, do you want to share anything with your subscribers?
Thank you for watching my videos. I'm coming close to 472 subscribers. I'm close to 500 now.
Do you want to
Guys,
share anything?
yes, guys, money you lose, nothing you lose. You lose health, you lose everything. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and see you. Have a wonderful day. Follow me. Bye bye. Have a great day.